Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix blurry text, or I would say blurry fonts on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So if you want to correct the blurry text and overall the look and feel of your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer is not good, you just need to do a right click in the start icon, go to run and type sysdm.cpl. I will maximize it so that you can type it. sysdm.cpl. Now click on OK. And here we need to go to this advanced tab, and then we need to go to this performance, and here visual effects. From here you need to select the best one is let Windows choose what's best for my computer. Don't go with for best appearance, best performance. Go with let Windows choose. So in this manner, the moment you select that and the moment you click on apply and OK, you will see the difference. And if you do not see the difference, restart the computer. And do let me know in the comment section if this tutorial has helped you. And also if this video has given you a value, please hit the like and subscribe and do leave a comment. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.